You get your USB micro in. This is how you charge it. You get your Type C 3 amp out. So all three ports are being used. And again, we are charging three things at the same time. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at a charger that is a Type C, Type A, and has Qualcomm or iSmart, RavPower's iSmart technology built in, so it's a very quick charging port attached to this as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charger itself. So you get this nice big brick of a charger here. It weighs a little bit, but it's not a ton. It also comes with this nice little pull string carry bag, which is very nice. It comes with two micro USB cables, so you get kind of a lengthier one here. It is a flat cable, so it will not tangle up real easy. And you get this little shorter cable here as well, and both of them are micro USB. You do not get a Type C cable with this, which I kind of wish you did, but it does not come with that. So you're going to have to supply your own Type C cable. Now, RavPower does have some other cables, so let's look at those right there. You can get a USB-C to USB-A adapter. And then this is a nice little cable to help you out with your Type C to USB type devices. Then you also get a USB-C to Type USB-A cable, and this is the one you might want to try to use to charge from if you wanted to not just use the Type C, or you wanted to actually charge two Type C devices. This only has one Type C port. This would actually allow you to charge two devices, one being through the Type A connector on this device. And then the other one is a Type USB-C quick charge cable, which is exactly what you'd want to do C to C. I think you see it's 2 meters or 6.6 feet. And I'll have a link in the show notes to all of these different cables that RavPower provides. They're very nice quality cables. In fact, we'll go ahead and open this one up and I'll show you. I mean, it almost looks like the one that you get like with a Macbook from Apple, the 12-inch Retina. Except these is actually a little nicer because it looks like it's got like some brushed aluminum ends here, or housings for the actual plugs, and it's got a little company logo there. Otherwise it looks just like a regular old Type C cable. Now this is a quick charge cable, since it is just Type C to Type C, so you get a little bit faster throughput when it's just the C to C. And when you start looking at C to A, you start to get into those limitations of the Type A. So those are some options. Again, check the show notes. I will have a link where you can pick up any one of these cables down here. So a little bit more about the charger itself, and then we'll actually get into demoing it. We're going to charge three devices at the same time, and we're going to make one of them a Type C. So this is, and we'll bring it over here on the back, the Turbo series from RavPower. This is the PB, say that fast, 043. This is a 20,100 milliamp or 74.3 watt out. Wow, yeah, all the numbers here. And so anyway, it's a brick. It's 20,000 milliamps of juice, 5 volts, pretty much in and out. Good stuff. This side here, where all the magic happens, you get your USB micro in. This is how you charge it. You get your Type C 3 amp out, and you get your quick charge, which can be 5 volts, 9 volts, or 12 volts. So that's very handy. And then you get your iSmart 2.4 amp out USB. So and with the iSmart, maximum is 2.4 amps. That's not going to mean everything you plug in here gets 2.4 amps. It's smart technology, so it knows exactly what your device needs. So if it only needs 1 amp, it's only going to produce 1 amp. It also knows when your device is charged, so it's not going to overcharge it and cause any kind of problems. On top of the device, you have a nice little button here that you can push, and you can actually see with LED indicators how much juice is left in the device. So I'm going to pause this real quick. We're going to get this set up. We're going to charge the MacBook. We're going to charge an iPhone that's in a battery case, and if I click this here, you can see it's only got 3 bars out of 4. And we're also going to charge this little Native Union on-the-go charger, and it'll be indicating that it's charging right down here. So I'm going to get these all set up, and we'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So we've got 3 devices charging at the exact same time. So over here I've plugged in the iPhone. Now I plugged this into the quick charge port. So as you can see, this is charging, and I believe the iPhone is charging. You can see the battery there is charging. So we've got that device charging. We have this Native Union device also charging, and you can see right here, and it's almost full. So it's about done. And then we have the MacBook over here charging as well, and it's via the Type C. So I'll just scroll up here so you can see that, and zoom in just a little bit so you can actually see we're up here charging. It is at 100%, but it does show that it is got power. So we're actually powering this MacBook right now with this device. So all 3 ports are being used. And again, we are charging 3 things at the same time. Now this does not have pass-through. So in other words, I can't take another charger. Once I do, and I will demonstrate. So we'll just go ahead and unplug this device here. And this device here. And we're just going to flip this cable. And I'm going to plug this into another charger. And then we're going to plug this into the micro USB port. Now we're still charging the MacBook, but now that I got to plug this in, again, this was just micro, or you still get this problem of the micro USBs not getting them right on the first try. In fact, I'm not getting them right on any tries. Let's see. There we go. So let's turn this bad boy on. Well, I may stand corrected. This may have pass-through power. It did not say in the documentation that it did. The Type C is still charging, but now you can see the battery here is charging itself. So let's just test this with a Type A, and maybe it just cuts off the power to the Type A and not the Type C. But nope, here we go. We're charging with the Type A as well. So this does actually have pass-through. I did not see that documented anywhere, so that's good to test that out and find out. So you can charge your brick here at the same time and charge other devices with the pass-through power. So that's awesome. That's good to know. So that's why we tested it out to see. Anyway, guys, I'll have links in the show notes for all these items here that you can pick up. This is an awesome brick to have, especially if you're starting to dabble with Type C USB devices. This can power your MacBook. You're on the go, you just have this, you're running low on juice on your MacBook 12-inch Retina, plug it into this, keep going. 20,000 milliamps of power, that's going to keep you going for a while. And then you can also charge your phone and whatever else with it. So a lot of cool stuff. Look for these chargers, start all having like a Type C port. Everyone's getting on board Type C. So, you know, you might as well face it, it is the future, and it's going to start showing up on more and more devices. So time to get one of these and have it in your arsenal. Anyway, guys, again, check the show notes for links. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share this video so all your friends can see. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.